Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and today I want to discuss about power dressing 101. This is definitely something that I completely and absolutely enjoy doing. I love rocking a good fitted blazer and those corporate power dressed looks. I don't do a corporate job, but I do love getting dressed like I am going to crack that $1 million deal. So if that is your aesthetic, if that is a wardrobe that you want to build, or if you are going in for negotiating that $1 million deal, these are a few things that will definitely help you out. So first up, I feel like when we talk about power dressing, it also is about setting a power mindset. I feel like however good you dress, if you are not in the right mindset, if you are not feeling like you are going to go and enter that room and conquer the world, you are not going to be able to put that across that well. And for me personally, that starts with self-care, and self-care for me starts with skincare. And something that I have been using lately is this Dr. Sheth's Bakuchi oil and PDRN ampule serum. I love using it in my nighttime skincare routine, especially now that I'm getting older. And this has a 3000 ppm PDRN, 0.1% retinol and Bakuchi oil.
This serum is a lightweight formula that transforms skin to reveal youthful, hydrated, and firmer skin. Packed with PDRN and Bakuchi oil, and this skin repair system works at a deep cellular level. Packed with the power of nature and science, this serum is powered by PDRN, aka salmon sperm DNA, a breakthrough ingredient that repairs, hydrates, and plumps your skin at a deep cellular level. It also has Bakuchi oil, a plant-based retinol alternative that boosts collagen for firmer, youthful skin without irritation.
I have thoroughly enjoyed using this in my nighttime skincare routine, and I will leave a link to this in the description box. And you can use my code Shruti2025 for a 20% off on the Dr. Sheth's website. This is also available on other marketplaces like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, so definitely check it out. Let's get on to the fun part, which is the dressing up. I think first and foremost, the most essential part is getting and investing in a well-tailored suit. I think women especially, we don't really put in the time and effort into getting a well-stitched and a well-tailored suit. Trust me, it makes such a huge difference. It will make you feel so confident, especially for someone who is on the taller or heavier side. Trust me, get yourself measured and go and get a nice three-piece suit. This, what I'm wearing right now, is a three-piece suit. This has a jacket, a vest, and my bottom flare pants. This is in like a creamish white shade. This is not like pure white, but I definitely encourage you to get yourself measured and get yourself at least one really nice well-tailored suit, because that is going to give you a bunch of confidence. Next up is accessories. So after we get dressed, the first thing that we look for is to accessorize. The way that you can nail power dressing is when you go minimal with your accessories. Even the earrings that I'm wearing right now, honestly, because I was shooting for this video, I felt like I can go in with slightly more statementy earrings. But if I were to enter a boardroom, I would switch these out for like small diamante, like, you know, diamond earrings or something of that sort, or like a small pendant with like pearl earrings, just something very minimal, very basic. And I feel the best accessory that you can definitely rock while you are power dressing is a nice watch. I feel like you can definitely keep your Apple watches and Fitbits for when you're at the gym, but when you're entering that boardroom, you want to look important and you want everyone to feel that your time is worth the money. So a nice statement watch. I think I have also suffered from this. I used to always feel like when I say statement, it has to always be, you know, big and noticeable. I feel like minimalist is also a statement in itself. So a nice, beautiful watch is a definite must-have while you're power dressing. Third, colors. I think you can definitely keep your fun prints and ruffles and all of that for outside the boardroom, but nothing screams power to me like solid colors. So the color palette that I would choose is definitely black, white, tan, beige. basically all neutrals, because I feel like when you are wearing neutrals, you can definitely get yourself a really nice neon yellow and a neon green, power suit. That is definitely going to make a statement. But if you're talking about just kind of dipping your toes into and channeling your and seeing if power dressing is for you, you can definitely start small with basic colors such as white, tan. I honestly think tan, nude kind of tones on Indian skin tone girlies like us looks absolutely beautiful. So that is definitely a must have. Next up, hair. So personally, if you ask me, I struggle a lot with keeping my hair looking good. Honestly, I am not very good with, styling my hair. I find it to be an absolute chore. So for me personally, I always like getting my hair slick back when I want to power dress. But I will say though that if I want to enter a room where I want people to know that I'm the boss, you need to listen to me. Okay, so I'm going to give you two scenarios. I feel like you can definitely pick and choose depending on what the occasion is. If you are entering a room where you have to give a presentation and people have to find you approachable and likable, I would say leaving your hair down, a nice blow dry or something which makes you look more soft and approachable would be a better idea. Definitely not the 60s, big kind of hair, but I feel like a nice blow dry which gives you volume but also makes you feel very feminine and beautiful will give you that extra needed confidence and will make you look very, very approachable. But if you are entering a place where you need people to take you seriously, that the party that you are meeting needs to give you credit and be appreciative of your time, then I would say definitely a slick back hairstyle will definitely do the deed. This looks like I'm here to do business, I'm not here to have fun, and my time is worth the money. So be quick and be sure. Last but definitely not the least is you feeling good about yourself because you smell good. Yes, perfume. It is such an important aspect because I feel like a lot of times a lot of people forget. I have also forgotten to wear perfume from time to time, but it is an instant confidence booster. When you enter the room and you smell good, you automatically have made an impression. You have automatically made yourself important, and I feel like that is very, very powerful. So definitely, spritzing yourself with some really nice perfume at your key power points, which is behind your ears, at your pulse points, and behind your knees, and of course a little bit under your arms, will give you a lot of confidence. And make sure that you're wearing EDP or a perfume, because those tend to last longer even when you're sweating while you're giving your presentation. So a perfume is your last and final check for power dressing. So those are my tips for when you want to power dress. But I feel like, having said all of this, the first and foremost thing that you must carry is your confidence. Do not ever forget to be confident. Do not ever forget that you got this, you are going to kill it. And when you enter that room, you are the most important person over there. I think the most important thing is when you enter the room, do not forget your confidence. Always know that the two things you need to wear is your smile and your confidence. You need to know that you have done the best to your ability and you are going to nail it. You are going to enter that room and everyone's going to love you. That is all that you should be thinking about. And once you actually do that, it really translates into you going there and, being able to convincingly put your point across, be it, like I said, at a negotiation table or when you are, trying to give a presentation or something of that sort. So wearing your smile and confidence is the ultimate key to power dressing. So yes, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mua makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.
And I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck